Hello friends, welcome to our channel Accord Medical. Today we will show you the demo of mini IFT machine. It comes with a carry bag, wire and pads and set of strap. Before starting the demo, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Attach the main cord to the socket. Attach wire and pads. It has three modes: 2-pole, 4-pole and 4-pole vector. It comes in 2 kHz and 4 kHz. You can increase or decrease the intensity from this knob. You can maintain the balance of all the 4 pads from this. If it is in center, it means all the 4 pads will give a equal current. Before placing the pads on the patient body, use gel place all 4 pads on the patient body and then increase the intensity. You can adjust the balance. If it is in center, it will give equal current in 4 pads. If it is on the left hand side, it will give more current in left pads, and if it is in right, it will give more current in right pads. You can also buy this machine online at MedicalBazzar.com. The link will be given in the description below. The demo is completed. Thank you.